In the silence of the mind, two forces start to rise and grind. A sharpened edge that seeks to win, a torch that lights the truth within. One strikes fast to claim control, one shines light to guide the soul. Locked in dance they twist and turn,